Hey, third grade. Today is Wednesday, April 29th, 2020. This is your math lesson for today. Our target for today is, as a mathematician, I can solve equations with missing parts. So we'll have some equations today where there will be two parts and you have to figure out what the missing side is. But first, we're going to check in with our story problem from yesterday. This was actually created by Miss Kay. We're still working on her and her learning how to teach. So she came up with this to help with a project she's doing and to participate in our learning. So our equation was Miss K baked chocolate chip cookies for her class. She has 12 students and gave each student 2 cookies. She also ate 3 cookies. How many cookies did Miss K bake? Our first question is, what is this problem asking you to figure out? How many cookies Miss K ate? How many cookies Miss K baked? How many students Miss K has, or how many cookies Miss K gave to each student. So remember our trick, go back and look. How many cookies did Miss K bake? That's our question. So that's our answer. That's what it's asking us to figure out. To solve this problem, I will subtract, divide, subtract, then divide, multiply, then add. So to figure out how many cookies she baked, we know there are 12 students and she gave 2 cookies to each student. So in order to figure that out, we need to multiply. And then she ate 3 cookies, so that's 3 more cookies that she had baked, and she ate them. So to do that, we need to multiply, then add. Which equation can you use to solve this problem? 12 times 2 plus 3, 12 plus 2 plus 3, 2 times 3 plus 12, or 12 minus 3 plus 2. So if we think about that, we need to multiply 12 times 2 to figure out how many cookies she gave to the kids, and then we need to add 3 more. So our equation is 12 times 2 plus 3. So then we had write your answer as a complete sentence. Hint, Miss K baked. So first we need to solve it. I gave you guys the answer, sorry. 12 times 2 equals 24 plus 3. Miss K baked 27 cookies. So here's our work for that. 24 plus 3 equals 27. Okay. Today we are solving for the missing part. So here's an example of an equation. This equation is in your assignment for today. So if you're watching the video, you'll get one answer given to you. Okay. So first we have to solve the side that has both parts. So this has the missing part, so that's not that side. This is the side 35 divided by 7. And we know that's 5. 5 times 7 equals 35. 35 divided by 7 equals 5. The other side must equal the same. So there's an equal sign between these two equations, which means this side also needs to equal 5. So then we have 20 divided by what equals 5. We could do 5 times what equals 20 to help us, and that answer is 4. We're going to practice with one more. 15 plus what is equal to 8 times 5. So again, we solve for the side that has both parts. Which side has both of its parts? You said this side, you're correct. So 8 times 5 equals 40. The other side must equal the same because there's an equal sign between these equations. So this side must also equal 40. So 15 plus what equals 40. So in order to figure that out, what we do is 40 minus 15. We have to do the opposite on this side to figure it out, which is 25. And you can double check yourself by saying, does 15 plus 25 equal 40? Well, we have 5 plus 5, 0, carry the 10. 1 plus 1 plus 2 equals 4. So it does equal 4. So when we have addition on this side or subtraction, you have to use the opposite to help you figure out the blank side. Okay, this equation is very similar to another one you have. You have 19 plus what is equal to 9 times 5. So go through these steps to help you when you're solving for the missing part. Okay. We are going to go into our classwork, our assignment for Wednesday. Let me move this. So we have office hours today are from 3 to 4. I do them later on Wednesdays. Miss Lisa's hours are always the same, 10 to 11 and 6 to 8. Today your specials is art. You guys are learning how to make salt dough, which is really cool. It's kind of like Play-Doh, but less stinky. We have our learning targets for today. The video is right here. You'll answer this question. Did you watch the video? We have some just multiplication and division practice, which is going to help set you up for your missing parts work. So we have, this is the equation we've done together. We have this one here. We have one here. This is similar to the second one we did. We talked about that. And then you have two others that I want you to try on your own. For crew today, we have a book about respect. It's the Berenstain Bears. It shows some respect. Question if you did that. And then your checklist for today, listening to the pledge, doing one Zern lesson. And then you'll also have your super secret word for the day, which is, you just saw it, it's dance. So there'll be a question that's asking for the super secret video password of the day, and it is dance. I hope you have a great day. If you have any questions, yesterday during our crew, I showed you how to do Google Chats with me. If you didn't come for the virtual crew, I'll have a video link. It will be within here in your classwork, all of our topics. There will be one that says how to Google Chat, and I'll show you how to do that. I can do it really quickly though and show you. So if we just go into Google, you click your little grid here and you go down to chat. I will also have this link in case you forget how to do it. And then you would do find people. You would type in my name. And since I can't type in my own name because I can't message myself, but if I said, like if I wanted to do Miss Ackerman, I could chat to her and type in her name. Or if I wanted to talk to Miss Flores, I could click on that and then you could chat to that person. So I could write a message to her like, hi, Miss Flores. I am teaching my kids how to Google Chat. You're in our video. And then I could hit send. It says she's away right now, so she must not be in front of her computer. But you can send me, you would just type in my name. And it's not coming up for me because I'm me, but you guys would type in mine and you could do the same thing throughout the day. If you have questions, you can Google Chats me, and this is easier so you don't have to use your parent's phone, and you can just check in with me. If you have questions, and I can always create a Google Meets for us if I need to see your screen and help you, but this is just another way for us to connect. Have a great day. If you need help, again, I'm going to put it in your topics, Google Chats, how to do Google Chats, and that's all I have. If you have any questions, Google Chats me or come see me for office hours from 3 to 4. Bye.